Hey guys, I'm back once again, and this time we're bringing you a blind test between three flagship smartphones: the newly launched iPhone XS, the Pixel 2 and the OnePlus 6. Three phones that offer great camera performance. And what I'm going to do right now is actually show you pictures that I've shot with the phone. I'm going to take some time to analyze these shots and give you my perspective on how these cameras perform. In the meantime, what we're going to do is actually show you these images so that you can decide for yourself which is your favorite and if it aligns with Mr. Phone's thoughts as well. Okay, but before we do get started, let me take you through the process of how we do a blind test. Each one of these phones will be named A, B or C. Obviously, you won't get to know the name at the start, so you'll have to wait till the end of the video to know the name. Pick your choice, jot them down, and in the end, tally them up to figure out which one was your favorite. So what are we waiting for? Hi, I'm Ershad from Mr. Phone, and let's get this really cool blind test started. Hey guys, if you're here for the first time on the Mr. Phone channel, or even if you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever Mr. Phone puts out an awesome new tech video. Hi guys, I'm shooting a video using one of the cameras on this blind test. Do let us know in the comment section below what you thought about the image quality, the stabilization and the sound recording as well. So we've come to the end of this comparison. I hope you guys have your picks for each of the samples that we showed you. Now we're going for the reveal. Phone A was the iPhone X, Phone B was the OnePlus 6 and Phone C was the Pixel 2. So how were your findings? Do let us know in the comment section below which one was your favorite and if you were surprised by any of the results. Oh, and also wait for my full analysis between the three samples. Until next time, this is Ershad from Mr. Phone signing off. Adios.